How to fix Redmi Note 13 Bluetooth audio not working. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, you can see the option Bluetooth. Now click on it and then here you can turn on or off your Bluetooth. After turning on or off your Bluetooth, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time like that. And then swipe up to power off your device and then turn back on. After that, open settings and then click on more connectivity options. And then click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. And then click on reset settings. After reset the network settings, then go back and click on about phone. And then click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.